The differences between small intestine and large intestine are as follows. The small intestine is mobile except for a small part of the duodenum, while the large intestine is largely fixed. That's the ascending and descending colon. The small intestine has longitudinal muscle in a continuous layer around it. But the large intestine, the longitudinal muscle is in three groups called the tinea coli. The small intestine has no fatty tags on its wall, but the large intestine has fatty tags on its wall called epiploic appendages. The small intestine wall is smooth, but the large intestine is thrown into sacs called hostrae. The mucous membrane of the small intestine is thrown into folds called plicae circulaires, but this is absent in the large intestine. Peyer's patches are present in the small intestine, but not in the large intestine. The small intestine has villi, which are absent in the large intestine.